Today we are going to be talking about how to use this 2023 Feng Shui guide and planner. But we're going to start with the Feng Shui guide portion first. And this will be one of the multiple classes on YouTube here. You're going to be learning how to apply the Feng Shui onto your house. Welcome to Ask Auntie Amy, where we are changing the world one person at a time. Like and subscribe and get notified for our new videos. Hi, I'm Ask Auntie Amy. I'm a Feng Shui coach. I use Feng Shui to help my clients to get what they want. I'm so excited to tell you that I just got my proof copy from Amazon today. So we are going to be talking about how to use this 2023 Water Rabbit Feng Shui Guide and Planner. We are going to start with the Feng Shui Guide portion, because if you don't do the Feng Shui Guide portion correctly, then you cannot maximize the planner portion of the book. So that's what we're going to be working on today. First step you need to do is turn to your Feng Shui Guide. Don't go by the regular page number. Look for the little flower number at the bottom. That's how I go by the table of contents. It's the flower number. Okay, and it is actually going to be on page 3. We are going to show you how to use the 2023 Feng Shui compass, how to put it over your floor plan. Print out your copy of the compass template. The link is in there for those who purchased the planner, because the planner, it's black and white, you know, and the image is small. For the people who ordered the magazine style one, it will be a full page. You can easily take it over to Kinko's, I guess that's what they call a copier place, and have a print on the piece of transparency. And for those people who have purchased the PDF files, you could print out a copy or print it as a PNG file and then use that over your floor plan, if you have your floor plan like on a PowerPoint presentation. All right, that's how you would use that. Or, you know, the simplest old-fashioned way is just take the copy, go to Kinko's or whatever printing place you use close to your house, and ask them to print it on a piece of transparency. And then you can keep that piece of transparency. It's good for the whole year, okay? And this have everything that has the red on it. Those are the auspicious energy for this year. And the blacks are not so good. But anyway, we'll talk about all that later. But for now, the first step is get this thing printed out, get your floor plan drawn up, and get a good compass, a Boy Scout compass, $10. That's all you need, just a cheap plastic one that you can, for map, okay? For map, you can put on top of your floor plan. That's what you need. And you ask, how do I get one of those things? Yes, we have the PDF or the magazine file of just the magazine. The link is in the description below. And the planner, with the planner version, is about 428 pages. It's a big fat book. You see how big it is? It's going to be in soft copy and hardback, available on Amazon. And the link is also in the description. If you have a floor plan, it will be really, really helpful. If you don't, try to sketch one out as proportionate to scale to your real house, and then figure out where the center point is. You stand there, you take a compass reading, try to get the Boy Scout type. You know, if you don't try the phone compass, sometimes is hit or miss. I've used multiple phone, like 2 or 3 at the same time, and they get different readings. So use they only like maybe $10 on Amazon, a little cheap Boy Scout type compass, map compass. All right, and then you stand in the middle of your house and you take a reading. Doesn't matter where you face a corner or whatever, just so you know what that degree is. If you face a corner, it's easier that way. You actually face a corner and then you look at what degree it is. then you know that degree is for that corner. And if you go to the other corner of your house, same thing. Then now you pretty much calibrated the compass direction of your house from the center. And then we can overlay the compass on there. And I'll show you how to do that. Having a floor plan, it's the easiest way for you to find your center. All you have to do is square off the walls. Square off all the walls, and you see this little part that sticks out. We drop those off if they are less than 1/3 of the floor plan. You go ahead, just omit it, and then just draw the line, extend the line down here, and this part we drop off. So we extend the line. Yes, I know we included this little part. We include that little part just to square off so we can find the middle. You go from, draw a line from corner to corner, and that's your middle. And if you can see the corner, take the reading of what the corner is facing that corner. If you cannot see the corner, like for example, there's wall here, you just need to like get out, stand maybe right there, or even in front of the house right here. Probably easier. Just be inside your house, but mindful of any metal objects. If it's too big, it could influence your compass reading. And take a reading. You can stand right here, take the reading, and find the direction. For example, if your reading is 95 degree and 141 here, so now you got 2 degree up, then you can just put your compass next on top of it like that, and then you can line it up with 95 degree in the middle and 141 in the corner. So now you know that your compass is accurate, and all you can, if you're using the PNG file, you can just dial this, move it around to the degree. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson on how to apply the Feng Shui template onto your floor plan. That is your first step into applying Feng Shui for your house. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and get notified for all my upcoming video, because we are going to be doing more based on this Feng Shui guide and planner. So see you at the next video.